Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Audi A3 washer jets step by step. First, park the car on level ground, open the hood, and locate the nozzles near the base of the windshield. Use a straight pin or needle to clear any debris, then test spray to see the current aim. Take small adjustments and retest frequently until the spray hits the windshield center or desired area with even coverage. Start by clearing any visible blockages using a straight pin and gentle back and forth motions to avoid enlarging the jet. With a helper pressing the washer, observe the spray pattern and nudge the nozzle using a small tool to shift the stream toward the center of the windshield. Make tiny adjustments, then test again until coverage is even. Finish by wiping excess fluid and confirming both sides match in direction and range. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful car tips. Quick recommendation: I've been enjoying reading between tasks, and the Kindle Paperwhite is handy for short breaks and manuals. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. Focus on vertical aim first, ensuring the fluid hits lower on the windshield to prevent streaking at high speed. Then match the horizontal aim so both jets converge near the center for effective coverage. If a nozzle remains erratic after several careful tweaks, consider swapping it for a replacement to restore consistency. Test at low and highway speeds when done, and top off washer fluid to maintain reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.